Today we're going to be cleaning and dehazing, making completely brand new the headlights. So that's what they look like. They're pretty bad, they're wet, that's why it looks like that, but once they dry up, see, that's how they start looking, just like that. Anyways, so we're here. We're going to be using this kit, the 3M head restoration system. So this kit comes with everything you need to clean them up and make them look like new. And this is not my first time I'm using it. I've used this a couple of times already. See, that's the before and after right there. They actually do come out like that. They come out really like new. So it comes with instructions, comes with the pads, comes with everything you need. Here's the instructions in case you guys lost y'all's or something like that. You want to take a screenshot of it. Comes with the full instructions and everything you need in order to make them look new. All right, first step, which is what I did. Wash the headlights or fog lights, whatever you're going to be cleaning up. In this case, I'm going to be cleaning up headlights and fog lights, so I'll be doing that and clean them up, water, soap. After that, then we're going to start using the little pad with the 500 grit sandpaper, which is this right here. It says in the back which one to use. That's a 500 grit, and we'll be using that first with the drill. So I'm gonna set this up. I'm gonna tape up everything around the headlight just so I won't kind of scuff it or scratch it or anything like that. So I'll be doing that right now, getting it all prepped up. All right, so I'm ready to hit it with the 500 grit paper. Set up with the drill and the pad, 500 grit. Hit it nice and smooth. You don't have to do it fast or now you'll start melting it. So just nice and easy. Take your time. Once if it gets frosted, then make sure you hit it up until that comes off. All right, I'll show you what the frosting means. You don't have to apply so much pressure. Just very light. You'll see everything start coming off. And once you see the pad getting really not removing anymore, it's time to change. It's time to swap it out. You can see here, guys, this is a frosting I'm telling you about right here. Alright, got a new pad in. Let's continue removing. Oh, that much different. Look at that. Big difference right there. Look at that. Now it's removed. Alright, so it's looking good, nice and even. Everything is sanded evenly. That's what you want to see. That nothing smeared, and kind of wipe it off and verify all that. So I'll hit it a little more over here before I move on to the next disc. And this 500 grit disc is gold, so you can't confuse them. The next one that we're going to be using is white. You just put it a little more here. Make sure everything's nice and even. Okay. And there it is. Let's move on to the next disc. Nice frosty look. No smears. No glossy parts or shiny parts to it. So that's what you want in order for this to be most effective. All right, now let's use the white disc, which is going to be 800. The other gold disc was a 500. So is it's getting finer. Okay, and we're gonna do it nice and smooth. Don't apply so much pressure. All right, so now let's move on to the next disc. This pad is going to be the 3000 grid pad. So we're going to attach that, and this one you're actually going to get the keep the headlight wet. So this is going to be a wet sand along with your pad. So this one we can do as many passes as possible. It's recommended 4 to 6, so we'll see how many it takes in order to get the shine out of it. So you start seeing it clean up. It's my favorite pass. So that's when you start noticing the difference. Remember, keep it wet. And then you can spray the pad and it cleans up. All right, so after about 10 passes that I did on it, it looks slightly better, and we're gonna go ahead and remove the 3000 grit little pad, and we're gonna attach the little foam pad to start applying the rubbing compound on there. So we're gonna put a little dime size bit of compound on the, there it goes, on the pad itself, and we'll start applying to it until it starts getting nice and clear and shining. All right, so we're gonna put it on there until the haze starts coming off, and it'll start becoming a lot more clear. And you don't want to put so much on it. See, I just put a little dime size on there amount, because then it's just gonna splatter everywhere. It's gonna get messy. All right, we apply it. You'll start seeing a slight difference on it. Start cleaning it up, really clean. And then get your microfiber cloth, wipe it down, see what it looks like. If it needs some more, then do a couple more passes on there. There it is. I'm actually pretty happy with this. Probably just do one more pass on it. Look at that. Looks amazing. All right, see, and this doesn't come with the package, but what I like to use is Jetseal. This actually seals everything to protect it from UV rays, from anything. This is basically a shield. So it says up to 12 months protection, and it shines, and UV protection, so it's pretty good. Yeah, you basically just apply a thin layer of it and let it dry for 20 minutes, and just buff out until high gloss comes out with a microfiber towel. I mean, just pretty simple. And I use this a lot, especially for the headlights after you clean them, just to kind of protect quite a bit. And it's pretty good. I like it. Let's go ahead and shake it up a bit and put some on there. dry for 20 minutes, then come back, buff it out, clean it up. All right, 20 minutes passed already. Time to remove the Jetseal. Just using a microfiber towel and just removing and polishing it, basically. It's just to give it protection from the UV rays, since that's actually what damages the lenses. Gets them all yellow and all crusty looking, nasty. Look at that. Just save some money on new headlights. I think the light spend was 30 bucks, if that. I don't even remember how much that kit cost, but it's under 30 bucks for sure. And I've used it multiple times, and look at it, I'm still using it. And this is the correct way of cleaning your headlight lenses. I hope this helps out, saves you guys some money, and catch you guys on the next one.